Hello, hello! Juicy lamb rib and garlic herbs. So good. Let me show you how I made this one. I'm starting by seasoning my lamb rib rack with just salt and black pepper. I did not want to overpower the meat with any kind of seasoning powder. Just simple black pepper and salt, and it will be wonderful. After seasoning my meat with just salt and pepper, I'm just gonna do a quick searing here in my hot iron skillet. I'm just gonna give it that brown outside texture. Yeah, just the way I like it, brown. So I'm searing it for just about 5 minutes, and just when I get that color, then I can remove it and start making my herb mixture. My herbs mixture is simple: garlic, parsley, and optional hot pepper flakes. Add a little bit of olive oil and salt, and we should start coating our seared meat. So I will be reserving a little bit of the herb mixture during so I can use it when I'm serving this. Yep. Reserve some for later, and now I can coat my seared lamb. Coat it generously. So I'm done coating my lamb rib rack, and you notice that I don't cut my my ribs because sometimes some people do cut it, but I love baking it as a whole and then cut it once done. So, and I always like, if I have time, I like covering the bone side before baking it, just to avoid over darkening or burning of the bone, because it doesn't look pretty when I'm serving it, depend on what I'm trying to do that day. So I just cover it with a foil. That's completely optional. I don't do it often, but this is how I love doing it when I'm trying to style my ribs certain way. So there you go. And you notice also that I lined my aluminum foil with baking sheet first, because I just don't like the aluminum foil touching directly my food. So there you go. So I'm baking this at 375 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. I like it juicy, medium rare sometimes, but I just don't like it dry, so that's why. And once it's done baking, I don't carve it right away, I don't cut it right away, I just cover it with aluminum foil. Always I line it up and then cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving the ribs. So there you go, the ribs is it's done, and carve it, and now I can use the extra herb mixture that I reserve, and I can just coat it and leave the rest at the table for whoever. Garlic, it makes it just pop up the flavor. You can't resist this unless you're not a garlic fan, but yeah, it's absolutely wonderful. Give it a try. So there you go, you can eat this with anything. I love having it with salad, or like my son will do it, he just eat it like that, because I was like, you cannot just eat meat like that, you need to have it with something. So, but yeah, he loves meat, and lamb is his favorite, so that's one of his favorite recipe, because I show him how, and he just loved doing it. That's why I've been hiding my lamb ribs at the bottom of the freezer, because when he to make some meat, he'll reach out to there you go. Please don't forget to the thumbs up button, share it, comment when possible, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I love you guys, and I'll be talking to you in my next video. Bye bye.